In this video, I am going to show you fix wrong date and time on your Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, open the settings page. Once you are in the main settings menu, scroll all the way to the very bottom. Here you can find the general management option. Tap to open it. After this page, you can locate the date and time option. Click to open them. Then you can find the automatic time zone option. If it turn off your phone, simply turn it on first. After it turn on, simply scroll through the page. This time you can find the automatic date and time option. This also be turn off your phone, simply turn it on first. And you have successfully fixed wrong date and time your phone. However, if this process don't work on your phone, this may be updated related issue, so make sure your phone is up to date. To check it, return to the main settings page. Then you can find the software update option. Tap on it. Then click on check for update or download and install depending on your phone model version, and wait to complete the checking. Here, if you see your software is up to date, this means your phone is already up to date. Or if you any update available here found, simply follow the on-screen instruction and update your phone to the latest version and fix this. Thanks for watching. Like this video, also subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.